Hello guys, in this question we have to express each of these numbers as the product of their prime factors. So we'll start with question 1, that is we need to find the prime factorization of 140. So 140 का prime factorization करने के लिए we need to first divide it by its prime factor. So 2 से divide करेंगे we'll get 70. Again we'll divide it by 2, we'll get 35. Then we'll divide by 5, that is 7, and then we'll divide it by 7, so we'll get 1. The prime factorization of 140 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, which can also be written as 2 square into 5 into 7. Now the next part, we need to find the prime factorization of 156. So again we'll follow the same step. We'll divide 156 by its prime factors. So 156 को पहले हम 2 से डिवाइड कर लेंगे, so we'll get 78. Again we can divide it by 2, we'll get 39. Then we'll divide it by 3, we'll get 13. And then by 13 we'll get 1. So the prime factorization of 156 is 2 square into 3 into 13. Now we'll move on to the third part. So the third part is we need to find the prime factorization of 3825. So we'll divide 3825 by 3 first. So we'll get 1275. Then again we can divide it by 3. We'll get 425. Then we can divide it by 5. We'll get 85. Again we can divide it by 5. We'll get 17. Then we'll divide it by 17. So it is 1. The prime factorization of 3825 would be 3 square into 5 square into 17. Similarly, we'll do the fourth and the fifth part. The fourth part is we need to find the prime factorization of 5005. So 5005 को हम पहले 5 से डिवाइड कर लेंगे, we'll get 1001. Then हम 7 से डिवाइड कर लेंगे, we'll get 143. Then हम इसको डिवाइड कर लेंगे 11 से, just हफ्तों में मिल जाएगा 113. Then we'll divide it by 13, so we'll get 1. So the prime factorization would be 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. And the last part is we need to find the prime factorization of 7429. 7429 का prime factorization के लिए we'll divide it by 17. So we'll get 437. Then we can divide it by 19. We'll get 23, and by 20, then by 23. So we'll get 1. The prime factorization of 7429 would be 17 into 19 into 23.